So we are in my garage slash impromptu small house drying rack, and I'm going to show you how to take our cut Echinacea or purple coneflower seed head, get it dried out, and what the seeds look like. These, all you have to do really, you can lay these down on a paper towel or a paper plate. You can tie them in a little bunch like I have done here with the daisy heads, and hang them up in a cool, dry place out of direct sunlight. With the coneflower, you want to be careful if they're hanging upside down. That's really the best way to dry them, but too dry and the seeds will start to fall out. Here is what they look like once dried. Not as pretty as before, but you can see the seeds are all here, and when they come out, they look like little splinters, and you can see they've already started to fall out of the heads here. You gather those up, you can sow them. So you can just gather these seeds up, sow them in the ground in the springtime, not the fall, and they should take off. Might be a little bit of a slow start because they are coming from seed instead of propagating the way they do at garden centers, or if you were to divide the plant, those would take off faster. You could also start the seeds in pots indoors with plenty of light, say over winter or in the early spring, and that would give them a head start.